Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to do slacklining, and slacklining looks like this. For doing slacklining you need this. With this you can do slacklining, and this is called slacklining kit. I got it from Decathlon. It cost me around 3k bucks. So this is what you need for slacklining, and for this you need to learn lots of balance and should focus on one point and should go ahead. Come, I'll show you. And this is how you need to tie at one end, and this is you need to tie one end to the tree. This is the way you need to keep it in this and pull it from the downwards. You should pull it to the, you should pull this till the last. After tying this, you need to make it tight like this, and you should lock this after doing this. So now you are ready to do your slacklining. Should be tight enough like this. So after setting up this, now you are ready to do your slacklining. So I'll just show you. So before getting on this, you need to take your dominant leg. So my dominant leg is right, so I'm going to do it with right. So first you need to keep it to your knee level, so that when you get up, this is my dominant leg, right? So try to just balance like this. At the starting it's going to wobble a lot like this. It's just completely fine. So first you need to practice for this. Try to keep your legs like constant like this. If you keep on practicing it, you can get onto the line and you can be stable enough. So just try to balance with one leg as I showed you now, and after you feel comfortable with this height, try to fold your leg. When you fold your leg, you can have more balance like this. Fold your leg like this. Okay, when you feel comfortable with one leg, then try to place a second leg with the folding only. So first you need to learn with your dominant leg. As I said, your right leg. After you feel comfortable with your right, then you can go to the left. So try to balance with your left leg also the same way. Stay for some time, again try to stay for some time, get down. When you feel comfortable with both your right and left leg, now you can practice for the second step. So I'm going to show you that. The second step would be like this. When you get up on the line completely, this part, it's all about your hands. When you stand on the line, you should balance with your hands like this. This is the way you need to balance. When you feel comfortable with this, then you can take a second step like this. The all balance should be in your hands and your body. When you feel a little bit uncomfortable, try to bend. Take the third step. Take the fourth. Just count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you feel comfortable with this, try to take back steps with this. Like this. So this is the way you get into the ring line and do. And when you feel comfortable with this, you can just try to walk whole length, and in some time, like, you can get complete walk. And most of the time try to practice with one leg. And after that, the important thing is, when you get on the line, your focus should be at one end. For example, see, I'm just standing on the line. my whole focus should be at that end, and my hands, the whole focus should be at that end, to one end. Here the focus is important. Here the focus is important. As you stand on the line, your focus should be at one particular end, so that it will just take you towards that end. And when you feel comfortable with this, you're ready for doing your slackline. If you practice this, you can get it in easy, and keep on practicing. It will just take some time, but it will be easy. Finally you will be confident enough to walk. Do some adventure, and if you can, just post it in my comment box. Thank you. Follow my videos. I'll keep on posting. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Please press bell icon. Thank you.